Hey y'all, what's going on? I am here to do a what's in my bag, and this is the Coach mini quart backpack in the signature print. I have been carrying this bag for about a week now, and I absolutely love it. It's a really nice bag. It's not too heavy. The only con that I have is the straps. Like if I do just like one strap on my shoulder or whatever, it keeps sliding off. But it's not a deal breaker for me or whatever, but that's the only con that I have about this backpack. Other than that, I absolutely love it. So first I just have just this little puff ball right here. It's kind of hard to put too much stuff on here because there's really nothing for it to hang on. It doesn't have any like big holes to stick, you know, my Coach charms through, so I had to go with this one right here. And then on the side pocket, on this side pocket, I have my Coach key case, and I just right now I just have my my office, my key fob for my office, for my job, and I have this Coach keychain attached to it, so I have that in that pocket. I did have it in here, and I had some wipes right here, but I used the wipes, so I just put this right there for now. And then on this other side, I have some Bucky's peppermints. I got these when I had went to go visit my dad. So that's that. And in this first pocket, let's see what we have here. I have my old iPhone that I use for music and stuff. And then I also keep my other iPhone 11 in there because it fits as well, but I have been using it, so it's not in here. I have a Walmart receipt. I have, what is this? Another receipt for some barbecue I got my 2 Bath and Body Works coupons. I actually went in there today, and that sale, it sucks. They didn't have anything that I wanted. I had a Hobby Lobby receipt. Then I have a little cash, and I have all these receipt. I went and bought me some wine, so I have that. And then I have a pen, and then I just have a lot of change. So that's all that I have in that front pocket, and this front pocket holds a ton. So, and I like it because it's easy to access, especially for when I have my phone in there. But the majority of the time I either have my phone in my back pocket if I got pockets, or it'll be in my hand. So in this first pocket, I have this right here, this card case. I love this thing. Oh, it is so nice. And then of course my driver license part on the back, but I love this thing. And then in here I just have extra cards, and then I have my my medical card and stuff like that, my insurance card, stuff like that in there. Y'all, this thing right here, oh, so cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I just have some stuff right there. I don't have anything right there. So there is that. And then next in this front pocket, I have my Coach penny case. I love this thing. Love, love, love. And I just have some coins in here. And then in here I just have a couple of more dollars. And then I have in this back pocket right here, I just have some hand sanitizer wipes and my lip gloss. And then I also have my little razor. And y'all, that is all that I have in my front pocket. Now, I didn't put too much in this front because I noticed that if you put too much in the front, it pushes to the back, so you can't put as much in the back, and vice versa. If you put a lot in this second thing, you can't put that much in the front because it's going to push forward or whatever. So I just put my 2 main important things right here because I didn't want to overstuff my bag, because I don't like overstuffing my bags. So in this back pocket I have my AirPod case, the little minion. And then I have this little Coach, what is this, cosmetic case that I just got. I love this thing. It is so cute and very, very functional. So I have that, and inside of there I have some shea butter lotion from Bath and Body Works. I have my little peel case. I have some spray hand sanitizer. I have this little pineapple mirror. I have some Tree Hut lip gloss. I have my little back scratcher that I take everywhere with me. I have the miniature Vaseline. I have some tweezers and some fingernail clippers. And then in this little, there's a little back pocket right here. I just have 2 hand sanitizers, little packets. So that is all that fits in there. And then next I have some sanitizing wipes, some more wipes. And then then I have my power bank to charge my phone. I have my little cord for my phone. And then I have my Bloomingdale's little black bag that I mostly have in all of my videos. But it just has my Apple charger, my little scissors, and then just my these little USB things to hold memory and stuff on. That's about it. That's all. I just keep that in there. And then next I have my Victoria's Secret card case, and I just have like gift cards and store cards that I keep in here. I was gonna use my Coach one, but it was actually kind of too big, so I just went back with this one. And then next I have my tape measure that I keep with me. And then lastly I have this little pouch right here that I got from Five Below, and I just stuck my my little dental flossers in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that one, but I just stuck my little dental flossers in here. And y'all, that is it. And y'all, I've started to try to not carry as much stuff in my bags, and I just started noticing, I just started looking at my stuff, and I was like, okay, if I'm not reaching for it a lot, I'm not going to transfer it to the next bag. So that's why some of the stuff that I normally have, I just stopped carrying it, because I'm like, I haven't used it or whatever, and I just keep transferring from bag to bag. So I'm just trying to just carry stuff that I know for sure that I'll need or that I'll use or whatever. So yeah, y'all, that is it. That is what's in my bag. And I love, like I said, I love this little backpack. It's such a handy, such a real handy backpack. I have gotten lots of compliments on it, and I just love it, love it, love it. And they still have it available, and it's also comes in the color. Right now they still have this one on there, and then they have the red one. The purple one is sold out as of now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And I just so love my bag, and the zipper is super duper smooth. So there it goes. So this is the Coach Mini Quart backpack. And I will well, yeah, I'll put y'all see. Oh, excuse me, I'm out of breath, I'm full. Y'all will see, as y'all can see, I posted pictures of me wearing it. Well, video of me wearing the bag or whatever. So really nice bag. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. bye.